Sorry guys, I just kidding. So you're gonna learn how to sculpt this beautiful eye with me. So don't skip and just watch. For now, sorry guys, we need the polymer clay Fimo. I love Fimo because it's like it's very nice clay. It doesn't stick and it's baked very well. So you need to roll some ball and take the tool like a ball tool and make a hole in the middle. No hole, like a push little bit, no very hard. So just what's procedure. And after when you do this, you need to bake the polymer clay and watch how to bake it. You will see to under my different video how to bake the polymer clay. So after bake, you need to polish the polymer clay, because to get smooth surface on the top, then you need to polish. After polish, we need to blue color polymer clay. If you want any color blue, whatever you want your eyes, it's your choice. I like blue eyes, that's why I choose the blue polymer clay. So you need to put in the middle and start creating the eyes. And after on the iris, you need to black color polymer clay and put in the middle, as you see on the video. After sculpting, you need to bake again, and after baking, you need to use Lisa Pavelka magic gloss or whatever gloss you like it. You can use even epoxy gloss, which you can buy from eBay, but I like Lisa Pavelka magic gloss, which is very good and useful. So after that, when you to the Lisa Pavelka magic gloss, you need to put under UV lamp. And if you see in the video, if you a little bit missed it, it doesn't matter, you can just clean with cotton cloth. It's just around the iris to give a shape more beautiful iris. So after that, you put on the UV lamp. As you can see on the video, I'm using again Fimo, but this time I'm using the professional doll art Fimo clay, because this is like a skin tone. And based on that, we're gonna start sculpting as like an eye shape. And after later, when you finish the sculpting, you need to bake the clay again. And after baking, we're gonna start giving the blush and painting the eyes a little bit, eyeshadow, and after eyeshadow we're gonna put eyelashes. I'm using Genesis painting, and after I will bake again, because Genesis painting will dry when you on the heat gun or you bake for 2 minutes. And after baking, I'm putting the false eyelashes, and I'm using the glue to glue it eyelashes, as you see on the video. So that's our creation eyes. So it's nearly finished. Thank you for all your likes, and please subscribe my channel. I will be very appreciated if you can help my channel to grow. Thank you so much, and I will share with you all my tips and Thank you. Bye bye.